Hi everyone, it's Morah Alyssa. Today we're going to do some science fun. My son Dylan, my younger son Dylan's going to help us. Say
hi.
So I hope you're all doing well. I miss your smiling faces. I can't wait till I can see you at school again. But today you're coming to my kitchen and we're going to do a science experiment that's pretty simple and easy, and I'm hoping that you might even have some of these materials at your house so you can try it at home. So the first thing you need is just a plate, any sort of dish that you can pour a liquid in and it will be deep enough to hold it. We're going to use some milk. I'm using almond milk and it works just as well, so regular milk or almond milk will work. We need some dish soap, any brand is fine, some food coloring, hopefully you have this in your pantry, and some Q-tips. So first thing we're going to do is pour some milk into the dish. Dylan, you want to help me pour some?
Sure.
All right. All right, you don't need to fill it all the way, but let's just have enough that we cover the whole bottom. The next thing we're gonna do is put some drops of food coloring in. So I have a question for you guys first. What do you think is gonna happen when we add the food coloring to the milk? Any guesses? How about you, Dylan? Do you have a guess?
You might try like the milk the color.
Oh, you think so? All right, what color should we do first?
Green.
All right. Now I'm going to put the food coloring in because it tends to get on fingers and stay there for a while. So this part you might want to have a grown-up help you with. What color next?
Yellow.
Yellow. All right. We got some of that. Should we add
A little blue.
a little blue? All right, blue's coming up.
It looks like black.
It does. It looks really dark. And the last color I have is red. You can use any colors you want at home. You can use just one color. You can use lots of different ones. Whatever you want to do. So what do you think? Did the food coloring change the milk at all?
No.
Not so much. It stayed together in different little dots of color. So the next part of our experiment, I'm going to pour some dish soap into a cup. And then we're going to take one of our Q-tips. We're going to rub it around in our dish soap, get it nice and covered. And this is the fun part. Dylan, you want to do the honors? You're going to take it and just stick it down and hold it still right in the middle. Whoa! Look what the colors are doing. Everything's moving around, making a pretty pattern. Science in action. If you don't have any Q-tips at home, I think this might also work with a toothpick, so I'm going to give it a try. Let's see. Yep. Here it goes. It's not as strong because it's not holding as much of the dish soap, but it's starting to move away from the toothpick as well. So as a last resort, if you don't have any Q-tips, a toothpick will work. Now, we're going to do a second experiment today. It has a very similar idea to it. But what we're going to do is take another plate. And this time, I'm going to use a bigger one because I want it to have a white bottom so we can see better. You can leave it there. And we're just going to add some water to the plate. You want to help me? All right. And then who knows what this is? I'll give you a hint. If you smell it, it's going to make you sneeze. Do you know what it is?
Salt.
Oh, it's really close.
Pepper.
You're right. It's black pepper. We're going to shake some all over the top of that plate. All right. Now, Dylan, I need you to be my assistant. What do you think is going to happen if you stick your finger right into that pepper water?
The pepper, like when you put it on your nose, it sneezes. You sneeze and it goes away, so it might like blow away like when you sneeze.
Oh, try it. Stick your finger right in. Oh, nothing happened. Let's take your finger out. Can we get a close-up of Dylan's finger? It is covered with pepper right now. So now I want you to take your finger from your other hand. And that same cup of dish soap from our last experiment, stick it in there. You don't need that much. And now, let's see what happened. Whoa, you dropped it in. All the pepper went flying away from you. So what I like to think of this pepper, I like to think of it as little germs. And you know what? When Dylan put his hand in the pepper, all the germs stayed right to him. Just like when we go around our day and we touch things without washing, all the germs stick to us. But when he used the soap, all the germs went running away. So guys, don't forget to wash your hands all day long. Wash your hands. Should we do another science experiment another day, Dylan?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back. I'll be thinking of you guys. I miss you. Bye.